Hello ladies and gentlemen. So my name is Sunil and I'm from Rudra Language Institute. So today we are here together to discuss about a particular topic, and the topic is how to build your career. So we are having a different students, and they are having the certain levels in German and English as well. So they are going to share their experiences about that topic, like what are the segment do we have, how can we build up our career, and what are the opportunities do we have in this segment. So these are the things we are going to discuss. So let's start with the first candidate. Yeah, so hello everyone. So my name is Sunil and I'm from Rudra Language Institute. So today we are here to start something about the that is the discussion topic actually, and we are going to discuss about the different segment from the different students. But the today's theme is like how to shape, how to build your career in a different region. So these are the things we are going to discuss about. Like we are having a plenty of students here. So one of our student Mahendra is here and he's going to share his experience, like how he started, what was the difficulty in the starting, and these are the things like according to the career level, as per the career level, as per the different segment we are going to do these are the things. So yeah, hello man, thank you so much for here. Yeah.
Hello everyone, good morning. How are you all? Hope you are all fine. As you all know, we are here to present a presentation. The topic is how to shape your career, which is given by Pankaj sir and Sunil sir. So according to me, shaping your career is a personal journey. It's about aligning your hobbies, personalities, what do you want to do in a professional field. If I say about my career journey, it started when I was working in IT company as a web design and development. There I wasn't happy because I wanted to do something new. So I started to search. Then one of my friend told about Sunil sir and Rudra Institute about German language. Then I came here and talked to Sunil sir. He told me more about German language and about German MNCs. Then I decided to join here. Now you can see I'm here doing something new and learning a language. And in following months I will work with German MNCs. That's all about me. Thank you.
Yeah, so thank you so much Mahendra for that. Like I'm having a question for that. Like if we'll talk about the job purpose, like what are the segment do we have after German language? So you also can elaborate that, so that would be helpful for other students as well.
After you do German course A1 A2 level, then German MNCs started their hiring. There you can work with as a customer support.
Okay, so like if we'll talk about a foreign language, then the people have an assumption in their mind, like if you are going to learn a new language, then you need to work in the tourist industry and the further segment. Okay, so they are having no intent behind that, like what the story, what the segment do we have. So as per the segment, like Mahendra told us, like we are having a plenty of opportunities after learning German. So yeah, thank you so much Mahendra for that. Thank you so much for your time. Yeah, hello. So we are having a different person, like we are having a Priyal. So we wanted to know about the like what are the future goals and the future segment for the Priyal as well. So let's start with Priyal. Okay, yeah.
Hello everyone, I am Priyal Singh Chauhan, and I am here to talk about how to shape our career and how to build our career. So in my way, shaping your career is a process that involves thoughtful learning, continuous learning, and taking proactive steps to achieve your professional goal. We should follow our dreams, and what we find interest in, we should pursue that, and we should do that with full of dedication and hard work.
Like if you will talk about the personal journey, what was your personal journey? Could you please also share about that, so that would be also helpful for the other as well.
So after my 12th, I have done my 12th in commerce stream. So everyone suggested me to do CA and fight some government exams, and everyone nowadays run behind government exams and government jobs. But in my opinion, there are many more opportunity in nowadays that can pay us like according to private jobs. Government jobs and private jobs both are similar in nowadays. So my elder brother, he also joined foreign language course, and he had he's earning a very good amount nowadays. So yeah, from I got inspired from my brother that I can also join and learn something new, and it will help, and something new I can learn.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Priyal, for that. Thank you so much for your time. So, yeah, hello everyone. So we are having Saloni with us. So he's also going to share her, she's also going to share her experience about that. So let's listen her. Yeah, Saloni.
Hello everyone, I am Saloni Jain, and I want to speak about how to build or shape our career. So career is very important in our life, and we should choose it very wisely, and we should take time to explore new fields and new experiences. And
So we are having a different person for that. His name is Aman. So he's going to share his experience about that. So let's listen him.
Hello everyone, my name is Aman and now I am here to talking about how to shape our career. Firstly, I describe the definition of career. Career is a professional journey to achieve our professional occupation as our interested field and being satisfying. Career is important because after achieve our career we can do work as our interest and as our hobby also. Career give us position in a society, and how I can choose my career. When I was in 10th class, I took a commerce stream, and and I complete my graduation in same stream, but I cannot find work as my interest, and I want to become a businessman, but I need a capital. So my friend told me about Rudra Language Institute. I come here and met with Sunil sir. They can describe me properly how can I build my career in a linguist and language field and earn income good as compared to government job. So now I am here and learning German before I joined before 3 months and learning, and I complete my A1 level.
Yeah, thank you so much, Aman, for that. I'm having a question for you. How to choose a good career for that? If I'm talking about the people are having a different segment for that. If one of my friend wants to do something else, then I will go with him as well. Okay. So how to choose, how to build a good career? Okay. So how to find a good career? I'm just asking with you. The question will be like that. How to find a good career?
If we want good career, we have to choose subject in 10th wisely and proper way. We have think and research about the course, and in as our interest we have to work. We know about that what we are pursuing.
Thank you so much, Aman, for that. Thank you so much for your time. Archana with us. So she is also going to describe about herself, about the career opportunities and these are the things. Yeah. So Archana.
hello everyone, I am Archana Mishra, and describe to how to shape your career. Career is a very important of our life, and choosing career is very difficult. So career is a professional journey. So career is a good opportunity after then. So career is a boost I skills and develop my skills. So I describe to my journey. So after 10th class, I having a lots of things in my mind. So I choosing arts streams. So after 12th I choosing a German language. So I met I met Sunil sir. So describe to languages courses. So I am satisfied, or I joining the Rudra Institute. So Rudra Institute joining after then boost my confidence and so I am satisfied so I am choosing to German language because German language is a fulfill and good opportunities, so workers are very good environment, so I did.
Thank you so much, Archana, for that. Okay, so hello guys, we are having a different person here. So his name is Gandhi, and he is going to share his experience about that. Like his name is not Gandhi, like surname is Gandhi. Yeah. So Gandhi.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Vikram Kumar Verma from Vijayanagar. Today I would like to share about topic how to shape our career. Career is very important for us because it make different from others. It develops our personality, thoughts and ideas in a proper way. There are many definitions of career, but according to me, career is a personal journey that always on the way with our interest and dedicated and persistent. Build a professional network and attend industry event and connect with colleagues. I share my story with you. It's a matter of starting of 20 and 23. That time I didn't have many options of career. Before some time I connect with Rudra Language Institute owner Sunil sir, who told me about language courses and choose two option of as a language person. Then I analysis this field. Then I took a decision for in this choose a career in this field. Now I continue learn English and German, and I have many changes in my personality. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much, Vikram, for that. That was a nice. Having Paramveer Singh, and he is going to share his experience about that. So let's listen him.
I am Paramveer Singh from Rudra Language Institute. I describe my thoughts about that shape your career. Career is person's journey in which involves the jobs, rules, regulation and experience for a better life over the long time. Career is much important for us. Much important for makes different from others, and career develops our skills and personality in better manner and gives a professional identification. Before this we have to select a good career for our future, to differentiate between good and bad life in future. After that I want to tell about my personal experience about that career selection. When I was complete my 12th, there I decided to join Indian Navy, but unfortunately the form will rejected. So after that I complete graduation and waste lots of time. Then I thought about that German language, which my elder brother have also done in job in MNCs. So he tells me about that German language. So I am also decided to do course of German language.
Yeah. So thank you, Paramveer, for your segment. That was really great from your side. Nice. Hello everyone. So we are having Harshit Surana here. So let's listen him what he is going to share. What is his story, and he's also describing about himself. What other segment do we have? Yeah.
So first of all, hello everyone. I would like to give a special thanks to Sunil sir and Pankaj sir who gives me this opportunity to speak about myself and the topic. So basically the topic is to build or to shape your career. How you can build your career. So you have to decide what you want to do in your in your career, in your journey. You have to decide the segment in which field you want to go. So I decided to learn German. I always try to learn something new that can give me future opportunities and that can help me in future. Okay, by the matter of earning money, by the matter of knowledge and all the things. So Sunil sir gives me the advice to learn German, and I am learning, and I face so many difficulties, but I am facing that and I am learning regularly. That's all from my side.
Yeah, thank you so much Harshit for that. Yeah. Hello everyone. So we are having Sonu here. So he is also going to share his experience about the topic. Yeah. So we'll start with the Sonu.
Hello everyone. I am Sonu Khoiwal from Bhilwara. Today I am talking about career. What is career? Career is part of life. That career is job, a professional that someone does for long period of their life. Why did choosing a career? The important choosing a career is just more than just a job. It can provide.
We are having Pawan here. So he's also going to share his experience about that. Yeah, Pawan.
Yeah, sir. My name is Pawan Jangir from Vijayanagar. First, I described the definition of career. Career is very important for us. Your career is define your status in society. In other words, your career will define your status in society.
Yeah, so we are having Radhakishan here. So he's also going to share his experience about that, like how he came up with German and how he started German.
Yeah, I am Radhe from Vijayanagar. I describe this topic how to make your career shape, and career shape and depend things and confidence and personalities, and everyone choose your personality, and I personally decide to a new. But because my village are all student and all brother at friends preparing government exam, but I thought new. I not bad chal. I am new. New thoughts and I try new, and I contact Sunil Bhaiya in my inspiration and join from Rudra language and learning German, and one day is will coming better achievement, and I try my personality improve, my confidence build. Thank you for Rudra language and thank you. And my last motivation line in repeat in all over कि कोशिशों का जाल है, बाकी परिणाम तो सबका बवाल है. Thank you.
Going to share his experience about that. Yeah. So, hello Deepak.
Hello everyone. I am Deepak Sharma from Asin. I am today I am here to share my career story. But I want approach as a doctor in medical field. But someone suggested this join for a foreign language. This join a foreign language. As a result, I am here. But this is very good. But this is a very good field. Thank you all about me.
Like how to get a good career. Like if we are having the different possibilities for that, like how to come up with a good career. I'm just asking you. Like in the starting, when you passed 12th class, then you wanted to become at the time doctor. So how you came up with German?
I am intermediate, but my father suggested this is a very good field. My father suggested this is a very good field. I am joined for as a result I am here.
Hello everyone. So we had a great discussion with the different segment with the different students. Okay. So they shared also their stories, like how they started, how they came up with German, and how they started a different career. How they these are the segment they have already described. So we are going to talk with Pankaj sir. Like Pankaj sir is here for teaching English, or he's an English language expert. So we wanted to know about the story, like how the segment was, and the students presented the theme in a appropriate way or not. Like, so we are going to ask about that also. Yeah. So hello Pankaj sir.
Hello sir, how are you?
I'm good sir. How about you?
I'm first class. First of all the people are here. Just accept my greetings. Hello, how are you all? That's great. I'm just getting inspired to see all your looking bright faces. Thank you so much for giving this brightness on your faces. Today Sunil sir invited me for having a discussion on the shaping of the career. So I'm here. I'm ready for that. You can ask me.
Yeah. So Pankaj sir, how to build a good career? Like as per like the student describe about their segment, like that is the good for me, that's the bad for me. So according to you, like what will be the appropriate segment as per the student concern? Okay. So that would be good for me, that would be fine for me. Like I don't have to go with a different segment. So just like that.
So first of all, I would like to share a particular opinion of me that it is a very difficult question, that how can we choose our career, because student age is just like an age of indecision. Our mind is totally undecided stream at that time. We are not having that type of experience. So if you are sitting at this particular position where I am seated, so that will give you that particular power, or that will give you that particular inspiration to choose something about that. So I don't want to blame you that you are not having that type of inspiration or that type of maturity in yourself. So gradually you have all these things, but the thing is that because we are not able to have that particular lost time again in our life, so it will be more important for us to take care something about the golden period of our life, because we are having a peak period of our youth. So this is very critical time to shape your career. So as far I know something about that, first of all I would like to say here that I am not an expert about that, but as far I have an experience. So if you want to make your career in particular field, just try to understand what have you dreamed, or what is your interest plays an important role shaping your career. It's just like that ki wherever you want to go, decide it. Suppose you want to go to Allahabad and you are just having a train of Ahmedabad, how could you go that? So that time it is not important that sitting in a train or traveling in a train we can reach anywhere. No, it's not like that. But unfortunately many of the youngsters do like that. Want to make career, want to shape career. Okay, my friend joined that particular institute, my friend joined that particular course, I want to join that particular course. No, it's not like that. Just try to identify, just try to recognize what's your dream, where is your destination, then go for that. Automatically you find the way, because a very famous proverb is here, there is a will, where is a way. That's all.
So thank you Pankaj sir for that. Like I'm having a question for that. Like if there is a will, so how to find a will? Suppose if I am having a will, I want to be I want to go in a competition field. Okay, so there are a lot of having competition for that. Now, if I am having a will, like I want to do that, so for that I need to invest a lot of time for that. So how to comes up with a decision like this?
Again, Sunil sir gives me a challenge to prove that particular words, but I am ready for that because I am totally willpowered. So the thing is that how to collect the will, it is very simple. The thing is that first of all, just observe your surroundings. In what type of surroundings are you standing or are you sitting? If you are sitting or if you are surrounding with the positive types of people, then automatically you can have that particular will. Second thing is positivity. Always bear the positivity in your mind. That's not our obstacles that we are living in that particular atmosphere, we are having in the medium, we are having so many obstacles are there. But if we make our mind negative, so result will be negative. So learning is great important tool which is in your hand. So if you learn anything, that would not be waste. It will give you a result of itself. So always carry a positivity and have a positive surroundings. Automatically your willpower boosts you, and when you boost, you can win. That's the secret of your success.
Yeah, thank you, Pankaj sir, for that. I also want to get a suggestion from you. We are having a different type of students as well from the different region, from the different segment as well. So, what do you want to give the motivation to the students as well? If they are starting English and they are going to introduce themselves and they are going to start in English. So, what are the challenges do they face, and in which part they need to give a good they need to get a good command, in which part they need to focus more about that in a conversation.
It's a very usual problem, and I always face that type of problem still. I have spent 17 years of my life in that particular field, but somewhere I just feel some just like you can say that I don't remind this particular word, and that is the most example of that particular thing, that I'm getting nervous here. Also, this particular place gives you a nervousness, but don't make it, overcome it. So the thing is that how to just have that type of inspiration. So again I am repeating my words, always think positive, always have something that challenges you. If something challenges you that I can't, so just take it as a challenge that I can. Once I would like to do this, then I will try to find out whether it is possible or not. So 1 time, 2 time, 3 time, but finally you can do this. If you have any problem in communication, just record your voice in Android mobile, because we have that great companion in our hands. So whenever we want to share our thoughts, just record your video in your mobile and just listen this. If this particular video affects you or impresses you, so just believe that it can impress anyone in the world. But if it is not, then repeat it. So after 1 or 2 practices, you can find better one option in your hands. And then second is, just increase your vocabulary. Never think that because I am in this profession, so many of my students says to me, sir, you are just giving that type of hard vocabulary. So how is it possible that the people whom we are going to talk, whether they listen that particular word or not? But tell me one thing. So if I have not seen the Agra's Taj Mahal, is it possible that nobody can see that particular Taj Mahal? Tell me one thing. अगर मैंने आगरा का ताजमहल नहीं देखा है, तो क्या मैं अगर किसी को बोलूँगा कि आगरा का ताजमहल है, तो क्या वो मेरे बारे में बिलीव करेगा, या वो कहेगा कि भैया आगरा का ताजमहल है कहाँ? So just set your mind like that कि whatever you first learn, it is a new thing for you, and never have that type of low confidence in yourself, that particular word, how can I remind that? Anything. We are human being and we are the best creation of the God, and our mind is just like tool to just solve the most difficult problems. But the thing is that we need that particular inspiration at that time. So think, as Sunil sir said before some time, that we are Brahma, right? So just have a prayer of Brahma, just give me that particular power to break that particular conception that I can't. Automatically you have this type of inspiration in your body, in your mind, or in your attitude, that you can do this. And today I am so happy to see that type of inspiration or that type of high flames in you. That's not a matter that you speak in a good way or not, but at least you have tried. So that would be a satisfactory thing for me, and now I'm sure that my job is safe. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Pankaj sir, for that, and thank you so much, students, for that. That was really great. So hope in the future we are going to do that the segment once again. Okay, then bye. Have a great day.